Finally, they got one issued.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a
I knew
severe
they were
thunderstorm
gonna
warning
issue more.
for Western Mills County in southwestern Iowa, Western Pottawatomie County in southwestern Iowa,
This is kinda cool.
Sarpy County, southern
Oh, my
Washington
county's
County,
under it.
southeastern Dodge County, Douglas County, eastern
And
Saunders
Douglas.
County, northeastern Cass County, and southeastern Nebraska until 9 a.m.
I'm gonna take a picture for
At 8:13
Oh,
a.m.,
the thunder.
severe thunderstorms were located along
That's
a
the
line
thunder.
extending from 3 miles
So that's
south of
especially where
Nickerson
state
Valley to 4 miles southeast of Meade, moving east at 45 miles per hour.
Yeah.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by
Uh-oh.
impact.
So we need to do
hail
this.
damage
Wait.
to vehicles is expected.
Yeah, just joking.
Expect wind damage to
Just joking.
roofs,
When I do that-
siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Omaha, Gretna,
Come on,
Boys
Spain.
Town,
You got
Elkhorn,
this.
Arlington, Waterloo,
Got this,
Flanagan
like,
Lake,
the
and
gorilla.
Zawinski Lake around 8:20 a.m. Bennington, Miller,
I'm gonna see how they're
Kennard,
playing DSP.
Calco,
And yes, I just do
West
the
Van Lake,
WX100.
and Standing Bear Lake around 8:25 a.m. Papillion, Ralston, La Vista, Prairie Queen Recreation Area,
Oh, my
Benson,
area.
and Exarban around 8:30 a.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Bellevue, Springfield, Midtown, Walnut Creek Recreation Area, Florence,
KTV's on because this is just one morning.
off Air Force Base, Carter Lake, Fort Calhoun, Etley Airfield, Crescent and Council Bluffs Airport. People attending Charles Schwab Field and Brand 44 should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 29 and 68. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 1
Come
and
on,
11.
Spain. You got this. Fail. Oh, the time's out.
Strong thunderstorms will
Let's hear
impact
the
south
specialized.
central Harrison, Sarpy, southern Washington,